Robberies, killing of Westmoreland cabbie and disc jockey connected, the police have stated. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Westmoreland police on Thursday said that the robberies and shooting deaths of a disc jockey and a taxi operator in the parish are connected. The police source said that the gunmen killed the taxi operator Romy Taylor in Burn Savannah and robbed him of his grey 2011 Toyota Voxy motor vehicle. The gunmen then proceeded to use the same stolen Voxy motor vehicle to carry out a robbery and subsequent murder of disc jockey Dave DJ Myrie Barnes in Little London an hour later. The police described the incident as robberies gone bad. Meanwhile, Barnes' mother said that her son called her shortly after the incident. "I don't know what happened. His father was here and got the call, and he said, 'Daddy may get shot.' And we asked, 'Where are you?' After that, we rushed off to the Savlamar hospital," the distraught mother recalled. She, upon reaching the hospital, the doctors pronounced the son dead. "He's a humble person. People love him all around. I'm wondering what he did. Maybe he was just at the wrong place at the wrong time," the mother stated. Reports heard that Barnes was outside a Hypnosis nightclub in his car at around 7:30 p.m. when men pulled up in a vehicle, robbed the patrons, and then fired shots at the club. He was later found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. The police have since commenced an investigation. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.